Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have in here with us Robert this afternoon. And Robert's coming all the way up here from Laredo, Texas with his family. And Robert has confessed to me early on that he's a self-adjuster. He likes popping his own neck and back, he says. And he doesn't really have a great deal of pain. He does have some occasional low back pain, stiffness, knee pain and stiffness occasionally, as well as some numbness and tingling out into his fingers, right?
Correct.
And that's really about it, right?
Yep, that's about it.
Okay, so we're going to show him your posture again. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. I've already done his exam and history and everything. And he's got forward head posture that's translated to the right of center. Down in his pelvis, he's a little closer on this right side than he is on the left side, so he's translated to the right on the x-axis down here, and forward and to the right on the x-axis and z-axis up here. Let's lay you back on your tummy now, Robert. He's got a little subluxation there, about 1/4 inch on the left. You see he's sitting on the wallet on that left side too. You men want to get off your wallets, and ladies quit wearing those purses hiked up on your shoulders. So I'm going to start off adjusting your low back, Robert.
Okay.
And pelvis. I'm adjusting his sacrum now, straight superior to inferior and posterior to anterior. Here's L5, L4, L3, 2. Yeah, that was good. You thought you were going to be the quietest of them all. You're the noisiest one of them all. See, that's better. Legs are exactly even now. This should feel a little easier this time, actually, than the first one did. Okay. When you self-adjust all the time, you give yourself ligamentous instability, so it makes your joints unstable, makes you have to want to pop your neck or back all the time. It becomes a tick. Let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. So I'm a chiropractor and I don't adjust myself, and I don't recommend self-adjusting. There we go. Slide down this way a little bit for me, Robert. No, just straight. There you go. Good. Now put both arms out, palms up. What's it take, about 6 hours to get up here from 5 hours?
5 hours.
Yeah. McAllen. Okay, relax this in my hand here. There you go. Should have felt that from your nail went to your lower back, Robert.
I did.
Good. Same here, just let this go limp. There we go, good. Okay, now let's sit you up and face that way.
I didn't feel that to my back.
You didn't?
No.
Okay.
Just my
You
hand.
will here in a second.
Okay.
Most of the time people feel that in their knees and their lumbosacral spine, but sometimes only they feel it in their knees and hips. There you go. All right, now adjust this. Good. Good. Okay. Now let's come over here on this table. But right there. There we go. Okay, slide up underneath that just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Even though Robert doesn't have a great deal of pain anywhere, it's still good to decompress his spine, because there's really nothing else that gets rid of the compressive stress on the joints, the disc, and the nerves other than manual spinal decompression. Inversion devices will only do so much. There you go. This is an actual adjustment. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down, Robert.
I did.
Good. Yeah, see, you're still kicking. You're good. There. Yes, sir. Good job. So which feels better, you popping your own neck or me popping it?
Oh, you definitely.
Alrighty, let's turn you sideways now and push yourself up with your left arm. We're going to stand right here in front of the mirror now. Okay, let's have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards again. Yep, pretty central. That's good. Hold up and back. Hold this for me. Flare these way back here. Now this is the part you're going to need to help your ladies with. Come straight back and then look at the wall behind you. You might want to spread your feet further apart. I don't want to knock you over backwards. Yeah, when you do this at home, do it up next to your bed in case you fall over backwards. You land on your bed, not your head. There you go. Whew. Try that again. I haven't held anybody up all day today, I tell you, Robert. There, that should have felt smoother.
Yeah, it did.
Good. So what would you have to tell the people down in McAllen about your first visit here to Advanced Chiropractic Relief and what the ring dinger felt like for the first time?
Feels great. I love it.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Felt the difference.
But adjust in yourself and let me do that from now on.
I will.
This is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.